I don't know.
Do you know Alpha?
No. I know Omega.
Or Omega? That's how you promise that those people will be arrested within four days.
Okay.
And unfortunately for you, because you say you don't remember, the killings continue. 2 councillors after you've left were killed.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Do you have any relationship with then at that time with the mayor of that area in Mkondo?
Who was the mayor?
Vusmota.
No. I have no relationship with him.
You never spoken to him over the phone or have had a meeting with him?
I've spoken to him.
What was discussed in that meeting?
I can't remember.
There was 2 people which, the names which were disguised there from IDEC. I think it was Perumal, and I think you've mentioned another one, Sunet, if I remember the name, I might be wrong. What is your take with those guys? They ever intimidated you? Because we are told that they are harassing, in particular, ministers and lieutenant generals as well from IDEC.
I spoke with one name, not 2.
I'm sorry?
I spoke about one name, not 2.
Whose name was that?
I said either Peruman or Padayache.
Padiache, yes. Yeah, okay. Is it one person? Perumal, Padiache?
That's why I'm saying Padayache or Peruman. I can't remember, but one of those names is his name.
In your understanding, what was the role of ID and the investigation matters in terms of jurisdiction?
ID or IDEC?
No, ID at that time, before they were IDEC.
What was their duty was to investigate the crimes, especially the COVID-19 crimes.
And state capture?
No, I know nothing about IT and state capture.
Because these names are frequently coming up, in connection with General Masemula and Mkwanazi. And Mkwanazi, when he presented his submission here, he said, at IDEC, there's a rogue policeman there and women, but there are those good policemen there and women. Do you agree with him on that? In your experience as you were in charge of it?
I agree with him, Mkwanazi.
Yes. No, what I'm saying, do you agree with his assertion to say there's rogue?
In fact, there are those people there who work at IDEC who are rogue. Let me put it like that.
But I will agree, but not only there. Even with the SAPS and other organizations, there will be rogue and good people.
Yeah, but I'm talking about IDEC now, Minister.
But I'm giving you the context of which I'm agreeing that indeed I agree with it, but I'm adding to say is a generic problem.
So are you saying even in the top echelons of the South African police, there's rogue policemen and women?
I would agree.
We have found that the real reason why the illegal disbandment of the PKTT, it was to protect the funders. The way you said, you've spoken to Vus Matala or Ket Matala, real name Ket Matala. For the first time you said you met him in Beverly Hills, am I right?
Beverly Hills Hotel.
Yes. That was for the first time.
Yes.
That was in December, am I right?
Yes.
Then in January, you went to Pretoria.
Yes.
And then he gave you his penthouse.
Yes.
He gave you security.
No.
You're not secured.
As even now, I don't have security.
Yeah, I remember you cried some time ago to say you are not safe, and we understand that.
Without tears.
Now, you met him for the first time. He's offering you
A room, you agree, without any hesitation, because you are no longer a minister. That's what you said, am I right? You are free to do anything you want.
No, I'm not free to do anything I want. There is no human being allowed to do anything that he or she wants.
Yeah, I thought when you say you are free, you are no longer accountable to anyone. I thought you said so.
On that particular matter, Honorable Member, not generically that as a human being you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, because my follow-up question will be, if I heard you well, is that you can associate with criminals. There's no problem because you are free.
Associate, maybe I don't understand the word associate. I can't associate with criminals, but I still can get the information and be briefed and hear and be phoned by those people that give information, even if they're in the criminal world.
So your relationship with Vus, in a way, for him to for you to meet him, what was the purpose?
The meeting was arranged by Mabonga.
Yes. What was for?
Mabonga didn't tell me that I'll be meeting Vusi. I saw Vusi as I came with Mabonga. So I was meeting Mabonga and he came with Vusi
So he only disclosed when when Kate was there,
when I saw him. Correct.
and you were comfortable to help him.
I didn't even know him.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, were you comfortable after he told you what was the meeting all about? Kate.
And I got interested. I was comfortable interested because he spoke about my name, that my name, if somebody has spoken about it somewhere.
Do you agree with Minister Senzo Mkunu's version to say he had all the right to disband MKTG?
No, I don't agree with that.
Now, the IMC resolution and the meetings of approving the PKTT, as you said, it was an inter-ministerial committee, am I right?
I didn't say so. It was so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. That I want you to agree with me on that, to say I'm not missing the point.
Okay.
Now, when he decided, as you know now,
Who
is on record, Senzo,
Okay.
Mkunu, the minister.
consult anybody. And I think that's what you said to us, to say there was a ministries. There was a minister of correctional service, there was a minister of justice, etc., etc. And those were not consulted at all.
I think his statement says so, again, that he did not consult.
Now, so we agree that the minister was completely wrong
To do what?
to do what he did, to disband.
Disband.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you. Now, there's you call him Mary, if I remember, Professor
Mary. Yes.
Dihas. He says that
She.
she says that you are a disgraced minister. Do you agree with that?
I don't agree with that.
Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just reading what he wrote here.
I don't agree with it.
You don't agree with that. And you said you don't recognize Patricia Mashale, if I remember well.
I don't recognize or remember her.
No, you remember her. What I'm saying that whatever Patricia is saying,
it doesn't hold water according to you, am I right?
Correct.
There's another gentleman who said he wrote you many letters. He calls Fikile Mbambi. Have you ever received any letter from him?
Who is that gentleman?
Fikile Mbambi from Cape Town, from Kayelisha.
Fikile Mbambi.
Yes.
I don't remember the name.
You don't remember the name. Now, when you were talking to my colleague here, you said that there's around almost 200 members who are deployed here in Cape Town. Am I right? At the cost of 800 rand, I think, for accommodation, there's food, there's cars, you've mentioned all those things combined to say that, they are trying to help the people of Cape Town. You've mentioned Delphi, you've mentioned Philippi and other areas. Because in this country, Minister, the issue of drugs is a problem.
Issue of
drugs.
Yes.
And in particular, in the Western Cape. Am I right? I'm not saying in other provinces there's no drugs. But in particular, in the Western Cape, we have a serious problem of drugs. And Gauteng, we have a similar problem.
Yes.
We have a similar problem in the Eastern Cape. In almost abantwana bethu sebangathi amazumbi ngendaba yama drugs.
Angathi amazulu.
Ngathi amazumbi.
Oh.
Umuntu uthi ahamba alele. Uthi umuntu ahleli amile. Sinenkinga enkulu engicabanga ukuthi nawe usese khona usaphethe. Azange uyikhona lento yama drugs, am I right?
If you say angizange ngiyikhona, you mean to eradicate and finish it?
Yes.
Definitely it was not eradicated, but a lot of work and a lot of disbandment of the laboratories, a lot of big bust of the ships and all that, it did happen.
Now, ngiyavuma ukuthi akunamuntu onganaphutha, Minister. And I think as well, as you said, baye bathi uma uvuma kuba ngcono kunokuthi uwale amaphutha owenzayo. Siyavumelana lapha ngithi?
Well, it's a human nature to commit mistakes, but it's also a good human nature to accept once you realize that you have made a mistake. It's a good thing to do.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ushilo nawe uma usithumela le submission statement sakho esila ezinjoba ngeke ngasho ekuqaleni ukuthi mangikulalele kahle ubugceka kakhulu abantu abavele abasebenze after you or abasebenze before you njengoba ngeke ngababala iphutha lakho ke endosi engilibonileyo mina mangiloku ngikulalele ukuthi akekho umuntu owenze ngcono ukudlula wena ngabe mhlambe ngibambe kahle
Ngikushongo lokho. Uthi kushiwo yimina ukuthi ngenze ngcono ukudlula wonke umuntu.
No, ngisho ukuthi the way uzipresente ngakhona is like wonke umuntu oke waba uminister in particular. Njengoba ngeke ngakhuluma beside indaba yaseKhatomana ukuthi unathi may his soul rest in peace. No Senzo Mchunu kunamaphutha amaningi abawenzile. Unathi ukhulume nge1 uthize iKhatomana, am I right?
Can I remind you how many ministers I have counted?
Yes, 7.
So I've presented myself. I did not present on behalf of Minister Umthetwa
or Minister Umkhonto. They can present themselves and then you can make your assessment on that.
Njengoba ke uke wezwa alana uminister
osuspendiwe kuyekwezwakala ukuthi wacela uchief of staff wakhe ukuthi arekhode inkulumo yakhe ayikhuluma no provincial commissioner uMkhwanazi Leso senzo ungasibona kuyisenzo esi-right ngokwazi kwakho umthetho.
Well, ngokwazi kwami ukuthi umuntu uma ezokurekhoda